Here we are. So this is our boat for this week. Let me go on board and show you around. So as we start unpacking, I'm doing the walk around first. Technical stuff, just to make the boat go around. The front, I'll go inside first. It's a bit dark. Maybe I can find some light. No, not yet. So the dining area, kitchen, looking good. Toilet, shower, also everything looking good. Lots of space. Cabin. And another one which we won't be using. All of the technical stuff, I'm not gonna explain it because I actually don't really care unless it doesn't work. So, and our bedroom for this week, I like it. Oh. Focus, yes. And also a toilet, a shower here. And now I'm going to go back outside and walk around the boat outside. I like it. It's looking nice. Sun deck, looking good. Dinky, so we can go to the harbor or just an island. So we're pretty happy with the boat, how the boat looks and how everything is. And I think we're gonna have lots of fun. Keep following us for more of this kind of videos and the trip we're going to make in Croatia.